Hey dolls and gents, I'm coming back to you guys with a video on this install right here. If you have been on the search for a blonde that looks bomb on deeper skin tones, baby, this is a blonde. She's highlighted, but she looks good. Okay? Do not be afraid to rock blonde, y'all. If you get the right tone for your skin tone, it's gonna look amazing. I want to thank Kisslove for sponsoring today's video, y'all, and providing me with this bomb gorgeous wig to install for y'all today. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to click that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. And I don't want to talk too long, so if you would like to see how I installed this wig today from Kisslove Hair, then definitely stay tuned, guys. So here is the wig from Kisslove Hair. This is a gorgeous blonde highlighted wig and is a 13x4 lace frontal wig. It does have 3 wig combs up top. It has 1 wig comb in the back with adjustable straps and a little bit of extra lace there to put it in a ponytail, and it also does have a stretch cap. Let's go ahead and throw this wig on our head and make sure that it's lined up in the middle and that the ear tabs are correct on both sides. So we're gonna work with the lace in sections. So I'm first gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it in 2 different places so that it's 3 sections total. And I'm going to move 1 section in the back, and I'm going to go ahead and spray the lace adhesive down. This is the Ben Wonder Lace in the black can, and I'm working in the middle first. Now I'm going to pull the lace down in the middle and make sure it's lined up perfectly with my hairline. Then I'm going to take the back of my comb and rub it against the lace and my hairline so that it can stick. Now I'm going to move to the left hand side and cut off that ear tab. Once the ear tab has been removed, I'm going to go ahead and spray the Ben Wonder Lace spray again on my hairline. Make sure that I distribute it with my finger, and then we're going to wait for it to get tacky to lay the lace down. Now that the adhesive is nice and tacky, I'm going to go ahead and pull that lace down and use the back of my comb again to make sure that lace is nice and secure on our hairline. Now I'm going to move on to the right side, and I'm going to go ahead and spray it down with the Ben Wonder Lace in the black can, and I'm going to use my fingers to evenly distribute the product. Once it gets tacky, we're going to pull that lace down and then use the back of the comb again to lay that lace down. Next, I'm going to take this eyebrow razor and I'm going to use it to jaggedly cut off that excess lace around my entire hairline. And now it's time to pin up our hair. I'm going to go ahead and get it out the way. I'm going to use 2 duck clips to do that. And I'm going to take this elastic band from Kisslove Hair and wrap it all the way around the hairline so that that lace can get nice and melted. I'm going to keep this on for about 10 to 15 minutes, do my makeup, and I'll be right back. Now that our makeup is done, I'm going to go ahead and style this wig for y'all. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do a middle or a side parting, so I'm just playing with the hair right now, just trying to decide what I would like to do, but I decided to go with a middle parting, y'all. So I'm going to part the hair in the middle. I'm lining it up with the middle of my nose, and I'm making sure that I get the parting as straight as I possibly can. Now I'm going to take my edge stick. Y'all know how much I love this and use this every time I install and lay a wig. I'm using this to lay down that parting area so we can get it nice and flat, y'all. And then I'm going to take my hot comb and run it down that parting so it can get nice and flat. The wax stick plus that hot comb just gets that parting area super flat, y'all. You can also use a little bit of spritz if you would like, but since this hair is already straight, I didn't think that that was necessary. Now I'm going to do the same thing around my hairline to get that area nice and flat. It's already pretty flat, but I just want to make sure that I get it as late as possible. Next, I'm going to take my olive oil spritz and spray all around the top of my wig, and this is going to make sure that it's nice and laid and get rid of any flyaways that I have up there. And now I'm going to take my flat iron with my brush and get the hair as straight as possible. It's already straight, but I just want to make sure it's as bone straight as possible. Kisslove Hair definitely did a bomb job with the coloring of this wig. It's like a highlighted blonde, but it's ash toned. I love it so much. If y'all are interested in checking out this wig, they have a bunch of colored wigs on their website, so definitely check them out. If you do not like coloring your own wigs, then I highly recommend checking out this brand. But if you would like to see me curl it, just let me know in the comment section down below. So here is the finished look, y'all. I hope that you enjoyed this install plus style video of this wig from Kisslove Hair. I definitely will have a link down below in the description box to this wig with any discount codes that I have. If you would like to see me install plus style more colored wigs on my YouTube channel, let me know in the comment section down below and I will keep them coming. And I will be sure to catch y'all in my next video. Bye. If y'all are interested in my face today, I did not film a full makeup tutorial, but I did film a first impression on the foundation I'm wearing today. And baby, this face is sitting, okay? You don't want to miss it. Click the box right here to check it out.